Every resume should have a great cover letter to go with it. It's what a hiring manager will see first, so it's important to make sure your cover letter is effective and easy to read. Here are a few tips for making your cover letter the best it can be. Gather all necessary information first. This includes the job description, name of the hiring manager, and any other research you've gathered about the company. Address your letter to a specific individual. If this isn't possible, use a gender-neutral greeting like "Dear Hiring Manager" or "Staff Selection Team." No matter what you're writing, it's always a good idea to start with a rough draft, and that goes for cover letters too. A rough draft will help you get your thoughts in order before you write the final version. Proofreading your draft is also important, but don't rely solely on your own revision. Have someone edit and proofread your cover letter before you send it out. Practicing good writing techniques is another important part of crafting a well-written cover letter. Use active verbs in the present tense. For example, I consistently exceed customer expectations by offering personal attention and product expertise. Finally, format your cover letter to be easy to read. Use single-space paragraphs and a default font that's easy to read, such as Times New Roman, Arial, or Tahoma. Highlight your qualifications with bullet points or bold text, and be sure to keep your cover letter to one page. A cover letter is your opportunity to showcase yourself as the right person for a position. Devoting the time and effort necessary to write your cover letter can help strengthen your chances of securing an interview, and possibly a job.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.